The Raspberry Pi 5 is here, and it's the most powerful Raspberry Pi ever. With the new CPU, GPU, and PCI Express support, this board is ready for AI robotics and edge computing. Let's explore its features, setup, and real-world performance. The Raspberry Pi 5 is powered by 2.4 GHz quad-core ARM Cortex CPU, a video core GPU, and 8 gigs of LDDR4 RAM, making it up to 3 times faster than the previous generation. It has USB-C power inputs 5V 5 amps for max performance. As always, the board has 2 USB 3.0 ports and 2 USB 2.0 ports. In this board we have 2 micro HDMI ports that supports 4K up to 60Hz frame rates, and we have the same for CGPIO pins. For the wired and wireless communication, the board has Gigabit Ethernet, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5. We are talking here about 2 dual-purpose camera display ports that can be used to connect either a display or a camera at the same time. Now let's move to my favorite feature of this board. With support of PCI Express, you can finally connect NVMe SSDs and AI accelerators, making the Pi 5 a game changer for high-performance projects. Now let's check out the essential components for our setup. We have the Raspberry Pi 8GB version, the official USB-C power supply, a micro HDMI to HDMI cable or adapter, and an active cooler for better thermal management. Now let's install the active cooler. After that, we need to install the Ubuntu 24 on our micro SD card using the official Raspberry Pi imager. Now it's time to boot up. Plug in the power supply and connect the micro HDMI cable, and let's see Ubuntu 24 in action. And there we have it, Ubuntu 24 running smoothly on Raspberry Pi 5. This is just the beginning. In our next video we'll explore Ubuntu 24's performance features to enhance your experience. That's it for today's setup. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more videos.